Reddit discussions about Mistplay are far more detailed than most App Store reviews because users usually explain what worked, what didn't, and why. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common opinions shared on Reddit and how to separate useful feedback from personal frustration. One of the most common positive comments is that Mistplay does pay users who meet the reward requirements and redeem through the official reward system. Many Reddit users describe the app as legitimate rather than a scam. At the same time, they also point out that earning rewards takes consistent play and depends on the games available to their account. Another topic that comes up repeatedly is game availability. Reddit users often mention that the list of games changes over time and varies by device and region. That means someone posting about a great offer may not have access to the same games you see. This is one reason experiences on Reddit can be very different, even when people are using the same app. Reward tracking is another frequent discussion. Some users report that their gameplay tracked correctly from the beginning, while others describe occasions where progress didn't update as expected. In those situations, experienced users often recommend installing games only through Mistplay, avoiding changes to your device during tracking, and contacting support if progress stops recording. Reddit users also remind new players to keep realistic expectations. The general opinion isn't that Mistplay provides fast or large payouts. Instead, many people treat it as a way to earn rewards while playing mobile games they already enjoy. Users who expect quick earnings are usually more disappointed than users who simply want extra rewards during their normal gaming sessions. One thing to remember about Reddit is that people are more likely to post when something goes very well or very badly. Quiet users with ordinary experiences often don't create posts at all. That's why reading one discussion isn't enough. Look for recurring patterns across multiple threads instead of relying on a single success story or complaint. If you're thinking about trying Mistplay, use Reddit as one source of information rather than your only source. Compare recent Reddit discussions with current App Store reviews and the app's official information. When the same points appear across different places, you can be more confident they're reflecting the current user experience. The biggest takeaway is simple. Reddit generally describes Mistplay as a legitimate rewards app, but users also highlight differences in game availability, reward tracking, and earning expectations. Read several recent discussions before making a decision, then judge the app based on your own experience. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and troubleshooting tips.